In 2021 alone, it's expected that the impact has been around 200 billion in lost revenue.
So John, thank you for joining me for this Maersk Industry Forecast. Well, we're going to talk about the automotive industry, of course. Everyone has heard about the disruptions that has been plaguing the world for the past 2 years. On top of this, we also see the chip shortage, which is also affecting the automotive industry. In what way exactly?
So 2020 and 2021 have been already challenging years for the automotive industry with the pandemic, disruptions, plant shutdowns, and then the chip shortage came to compound that impact. It's estimated that in 2021 the impact to the auto industry was 200 billion in lost revenue, around 7 million lost vehicles due to lack of production. And it's actually expected to continue to 2022 with estimates are of another 4 million lost units this year. It has definitely had an impact and has caused supply chains to be redesigned.
So what can companies in the automotive sector, what can they do to sort of soften these challenges? As you say, they probably won't go away for at least the coming months.
So we've seen actions in different sides. One is on the production side, for example, removing features that are not critical for the vehicle, like seat motors or rearview mirror motors. So that's one of the actions. The other is improving the agility and visibility in the supply chain so that they can react quicker to when there's a shortage of chips.
What conversations should automotive companies have with their logistics partner in order to build a more resilient and more visible supply chain?
So I think from the beginning, the key thing is visibility. So having digitized and connected supply chains so they can actually react quicker, manage based exceptions, and avoid or increase the agility in their supply chain. I think that's the core focus of supply chains in the future.
And what do you mean when you talk about visibility and resilience? Because it seems like it's terms that are being thrown around quite a lot. If you can be a bit more specific on it.
So I think visibility is around having a digital connection to every single part of your supply chain, knowing exactly where parts are at any point in time, and also being able to manage based on exception and not having to manage the full supply chain at all times. I think agility is an offset of that visibility provides. It allows you to actually react quicker and better to when disruption is expected.
So what is it automotive companies should demand? What should say, hey, we need this?
So I think the first thing is digital platforms. The second is having ADI, API connectivity, having fully digital solutions. And the third is an exception-based management solution that allows them to actually on the fly change transport modes and react quicker to disruption in the supply chain.
Thank you so much for giving these insights. Very interesting. Thank you, John.
Thank you, Chris.